Good morning, friends. Let's begin our new chapter, lesson number 16, playing with numbers. Here we start with our introductory part. In the introduction, we will just study about what we have studied in our previous classes and then proceed for the next thing. My question is, any number is formed by dash. What will be your answer? Yes, it's correct. It's digits. Okay? So, as in English language also, any word, okay, is formed by different letters. Same way, any number is framed or formed by digits. Digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And these are known as symbols or symbolic form of digits. And using this symbolic form, we can frame a number. Suppose let's take an example and understand how two digits or one digits or three digits numbers are formed. Suppose two digit numbers we can say here. Let the number be 23. We suppose as A, B in later form. Okay? Alphabetical A, B. So means A 2 and B is 3. So two digit number. Now, if we split this 23, it will be written as in the expanded form 20 plus 3 as an expanded form of 8. Now proceeding further for this, if it go ahead, that means 2 is multiplied with 10 and then 3 is added, and we can split like this also 3 into 10. So we can write suppose our A into 10 plus B into 1. So we can frame the number like 10 into A. Okay, so we write like this 10A plus B is silent coefficient, so B. The coefficient of 10A is 10A plus B. So this way two digit number is formed. Same way we can proceed for three digit number also. Suppose three digit number, that is, we can take 235. So we can split it out, this one, that is 200 plus 30 plus 5. And further if we split, we will get that is 2 multiplied by 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 5 into 1. And this number can be presented as A, B, C, three digit number. So A into 100, B into 10 plus C into 1. So if we write down 10 into 100 means 10 A, 100 A, sorry, 100 into A means 100 A, then 10 B plus C only, we cannot write, and we are not writing this coefficient 1 is a silent one. So three digit number, the format is this one, 100A plus 10B plus C. Same way you can go for 4 digit numbers also, 5 digit numbers also. Hope so this much clear to everyone. Now we proceed for the next thing. Here the next part is value of letters. So English alphabet letters are there, that is A, B, C, D. So in place of digit, sometimes we find that alphabetical letters are written and we have to find the value of that. So in addition operation also, in multiplication or in subtraction or in division, it may be given. So first we will learn for addition and multiplication in this chapter. Example we take. So addition, that is one digit plus one digit is the option. Now we take an unknown number, that is 4 plus a, and the result obtained is 6. So here we need to find the value of a. So 4 plus a is equal to 6. Already we have learned that LHS is equal to RHS equation form. So if we change the position from LHS to RHS, so a is equal to 6 minus 4, and we will get a is equal to 2. So we have got the value of this letter a. We can verify also. So LHS, RHS. So it was 4 plus a is equal to 6. That 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Yes, verified. Okay, we can say that 6 is equal to 6. LHS is equal to RHS. We have verified it. Same way we can go for 2-digit numbers also. Example number 2. We find that suppose 4a plus 98, and we get the result, that is CB3. So here we need to find 3 letters. Which are they? Find A, B and C are the 3 letters. So first of all we will start with unit place digit, because 2 digits are given and 1 we need to find. So a plus 8 is equal to 3. But suppose if I take the value of a is equal to 0, so 0 plus 8, it will be 8. And this is 3. So it is less than what we add the number. So 0 also not possible. So we take it, we assume that the next number having unit place digit 3. Apart from 3, 2-digit number having, that is 13. So a plus 8, it will be 13, and we will have the same number what is given, that is 3. And if we do subtraction, so find the value of a is equal to 13 minus 8, and we will get the 5. Therefore we have got the value of a is equal to 5. Let's keep, first understand that if we keep it, it's okay or not. Sometimes it may not be also okay, but we keep it and get the idea. So 4 a in place we will write 5 plus 9 8, and we are going to get 13. So 3 and carry over 1 we have to keep, because it is 13. We have taken 13 as a number. So 1 carry. So we will get b. B means this. B is equal to 4 plus 9 plus carry. So 4 plus 9, that is 13, plus 1. So it will be 14. Clear? So b is equal to 4. And this 1 will be utilized as carry for the next digit. Okay, so we will put 4 and carry over 1, but I cannot put the carry because there is nothing over here, no digits, only 2-digit number is there, so obviously it will be carry brought down over here, it will be written as 14. Clear friends? Any doubt? No doubts. So we proceed further. Therefore a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4, and c value will be how much? 1. Okay, because c, if we find nothing, means 0 0, we can keep it out. So 0 plus 0 plus 1 carry, and that will be 1. Clear friends? Same way we can go for 3-digit numbers also, and in the exercise we will try to do it out. Hope so this much you understood. Now we proceed further for multiplication part also. Multiplication. So here also we take unknown numbers. Suppose 3 multiplied by a, and they have given as 15. So here we need to find the value of a. Therefore a is equal to 15, and if we bring to the other side, means left hand side to right hand side, the sign will change. It is multiply, so it will be divided by 3. Therefore a is equal to 5. Hope so this much clear to you. We can take, this is 1 digit multiplied by 1 digit. Same way we can go for example 2, that is 2 digit multiplied by 1 digit. Okay, so we can find a known question, that is a b multiplied by 3, and we will get c a b. So here we need to find a also, b also, and c also. Okay, so they have not given us the exact figure all this, so we need to start multiply starting with the unit place digit. So 3 into b is equal to b. So b multiplied by 3 is equal to b. So we have to take the value of b such that the product is also b, and if we multiply it with 3, let's take b is equal to 0. That means 0 into 3 is equal to 0. Here it is possible. Here also b value 0, here also b value 0. Let's take for 1 also. Cross telefy karte. So 1 into 3, it will be 1 3 is 3. So here and here not same value of b. Okay, but here it is possible. So we will take b 0. So in place of b we will write 0 into 3, a as usual, 3 zeros are 0. Now I need to multiply and get the value of this c and a. So if I have to multiply a into 3, I will get a. A into 3 is equal to a, such that it should be 2 digit number. If 1 digit number, then there won't be any carry. Carry नहीं होगा तो यहाँ पर c value we will not get. Okay, so a value of a must be 2 digit, such a number that we will get the product as 2 digit numbers. So if I multiply, suppose we start with 1 3 is 3, so not same. Then 2, if I take the value of the 2 3 is 6, again not same. Then 3 3 is 9, again not same. Clear? So then 4 3s are 12. 2 digit number तो आ गया. Okay, but if I take 2 and 2 2s are, तो here also I have to take 2. So 2 3s are 6 हो जाएगा. Clear? So this 2 is not also matching. 4 unit place यहाँ पर भी नहीं match हो रहा. If I take 5 as value of a, so I will get 3 is a 15, and 15 a unit place digit is possible. So I would like to take a as 5 and get the answer. So 5 0 multiplied by 3. Okay, 5 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15. So 5, okay, a का value जो है वही का वही, and carry over 1. But here nothing, that means it will be 1. So 150. Therefore a is equal to how much? 5. B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 1. Hope so this much clear to everyone, and we can proceed for many more sums in our exercise.